Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this is Math Olympiad question from Singapore Math Olympiad. Okay, so let's see how to solve this problem. If the digit of 5-digit number 5D68D is divisible by 36, then find the value of D. Now if we replace each option by D and then divide by 36, the calculation will be tricky as well as it will take a lot of time. So what we will do, we will use the method called digital sum. So in this method, we have to add each digit. Okay. So first add 5 plus D plus 6 plus 8 plus D. Okay. Which is 19 plus 2D. Now let's find the digit sum of 36. 3 plus 6 is 9. So whatever the digit sum will come here should be divided by 9. Okay. Now let's see option A. 19 plus 0 is equal to 19. Let's add 1 plus 9. Okay. So which is 10. Again add, which is 1. So we have to add till we get the single digit. So 1 cannot be divided by 9. So this is not an option. Now let's see 19 plus 2 into 2, 4, which is 23. Add these two digits, the answer is 5. Again, we cannot divide 5 by 9. Now next 4, 19 plus 2 into 4, 8, which is 27. 2 plus 7 is 9. So we can divide 9 by 9. So here our answer is option C. So without any lengthy calculation, we have found the answer using this method. So if you like to know about this digital sum method, please let me know in the comment section. For such amazing tricks, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.